Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering up with a charged battery and a formatted card so you don't interrupt shooting. Once done, attach the lens and remove both caps. Make sure the lens switch is set to AF if you want autofocus. Next, set the camera mode to auto or program to let you focus on framing. I'll show why these choices prevent common mistakes and how they get you taking usable images immediately without fiddling with advanced menus. Now you compose and secure focus. You use focus points or touch AF to lock on your subject. Make sure to half press or tap and confirm sharpness. Then control exposure. Raise ISO only when needed, choose a shutter speed that prevents blur, and stop down or open the aperture for depth. Once adjusted, check the histogram and highlight warnings to verify detail. I explain why each adjustment matters and how small changes produce a cleaner, properly exposed photo. Finish by selecting image quality, RAW if you'll edit, JPEG for immediate sharing, and set auto delete off so you don't lose shots. Once done shooting, back up the card to your computer or cloud to protect files. If the camera behaves oddly, try a quick reset of custom settings or remove and reseat the lens to clean contacts. Many problems are contact or setting related. I'll show you this simple troubleshooting step because it fixes most errors fast and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.